question is select the correct word from the following list and fill in the blanks. Flood, water, crop, nutrients, preparation. The same kind of plants grow and cultivated on a large scale at a place is called dash, and the answer is crop. The first step before growing crops is dash of the soil, and the answer is preparation of the soil. Damaged seeds would dash on the top of the water, and the answer is float. For growing a crop, sufficient sunlight and dash from the soil are essential, and the answer is water and nutrients. Second question is match the items in column A with those in column B. Kharif crops paddy and maize, rabi crops wheat, gram pea, chemical fertilizers urea and supersulfate, organic matter animal extract cow dung, urine and plant waste. Third question is give two examples of each. Kharif crops and rabi crops. Kharif crop paddy and maize, rabi crop wheat and gram. Fourth question is write a paragraph in your own words on each of the following. Preparation of soil, sowing, weeding, threshing. Preparation of soil. Soil preparation is necessary before growing of a crop. It involves tilting and loosening of the soil. This allows the roots to penetrate deep in the soil and to breathe easily even when they are deep. Sowing. The process of putting seeds into the soil is called sowing. The tool used traditionally for sowing seeds is funnel shaped. Nowadays, seed drills are used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seed uniformly at a proper distance and depth. Weeding. Some undesirable plants grow along with the crop. These unwanted plants are called weeds. The process of removing unwanted plants is called weeding. Threshing. The process of separating the grain seeds from the chaff is called threshing. Fifth question is explain how fertilizers are different from manure. The fertilizers are inorganic salt. A fertilizer is prepared in factories. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil. A fertilizer are very rich in plants nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Manure is a natural substance obtained by decomposing of cattle dung, human waste and plant residues. Manure can be prepared in the fields. Manure provides a lot of humus to the soil. Manure is relatively less rich in plant nutrients. Sixth question is what is irrigation? Describe two methods of irrigation which conserve water. And the answer is the artificial method of watering the plant for assisting in their growth is called irrigation. Main sources of irrigation are well, tube wells, pond, lake, rivers. The two methods which help us to conserve water are sprinkled irrigation system. This irrigation system has an arrangement of vertical pipes with rotating nozzles on the top. It is more useful in the uneven and sandy land where sufficient water is not available. The second method is drip irrigation system. This irrigation system has an arrangement of pipe or tubes with very small holes in them to water plants drop by drop just at the base of the root. It is very efficient as water is not wasted at all. Question is if wheat is sown in the Kharif season, what would happen? Discuss. The answer is wheat crop is sown from November or December to March or April. It is grown in the winter and requires less water. If wheat is sown in the Kharif season, its production will be decreased considerably. Eighth question is explain how soil gets affected by the continuous plantation of the crops in a field. And the answer is continuous plantation of crops make the soil poorer in certain nutrients as the crops take up nutrients from the soil. The soil becomes infertile. It does not get enough time to replenish the nutrients. Ninth question is, what are weeds? How can we control them? And the answer is, the undesirable and unwanted plants which grow naturally along with the crop are called weeds. The growth of weeds can be controlled by adopting many ways. Tilling before sowing of crops helps in uprooting and killing of weeds, which may then dry up and get mixed with the soil. Weeds are also controlled by using certain chemicals called weedicides. Weedicides are sprayed in the field to kill the weeds.